How's it going, guys? My name is Gamer. Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm not going to be playing some Minecraft, but I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial on Camtasia Studios. So basically today what I'm going to be teaching you is how to add text to a video and how to give it some cool animations. So the first thing you want to do, you get your file and you drag it in the timeline. Then you find where you want to do it. So for example, I want it to be where I see a kind of hacker here that I believe. So let's say I want it to be here, okay? So then the next thing you want to do, you want to go in callouts, but you don't click on a callout like that and try to put some text in it. You go all the way in the bottom, you click on this arrow here, and you go all the way in the bottom and you click on text. From then, you got this text thing here. I just like removing the little fading appearance here, and then I got the text here. So then what you want to do, for example, you got an Arial, then you can write whatever you want, say hacks, and you can make it bigger, and then you have it on the timeline on the screen, so you can see it. You can also change colors by clicking on this. I like putting it in white. So if you want to change font, it's kind of a little tricky here. So what you could do, you gotta try to kind of play with it. So you put it in blue, and let's say I want Badaboom font. So then it's gonna put me in Badaboom font. So you must highlight it for it to work. So we're gonna put it in 150 size to make it look nice and big. We're gonna put it in the middle of the thing there. So now if you want to make a cool animation, next thing you want to do, you click on more and go on visual properties. Then we're gonna hide, for example, hex, and then we're gonna click on add animation. And now whatever we're gonna do, it's kind of gonna like record it. So let's suppose if we move it here, it's gonna make it an animation. So now we have this little blue thing here. You can just move it to adjust the time when it appears, and now you can see that it actually slides on the screen. So that's pretty cool. And once you render it, it's gonna look way nicer, as you may know. So we're gonna extend it here, and if you wanted to make a cool ending to take it out, you click again on add animation, and you see an opacity, you can make it just fade out. So you go like that, you drag the arrow there, and you basically already have your pretty cool text here. So the text slides, and sorry if it's a little laggy, I'm gonna show you the final result after I render this. And then it just fades out nicely, like that. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and it helped you. Be sure to subscribe for more cool videos. And I'm gonna see you in my next video.